So for the last 2 years, AI in the enterprise has basically been theater. Pilots, proof of concepts, hackathons, internal demonstrations, PowerPoint presentations. But this week, that has changed. Microsoft announced that Infosys, TCS, and Wipro have each crossed 100,000 Microsoft 365 Copilot licenses. Combined, that's more than 300,000 employees using Copilot right now across 3 companies. Hundreds of thousands of people using AI as part of their actual work. This is, of course, one of Microsoft's largest enterprise AI deployments anywhere in the world, which is quite brilliant. Now, of course, if you've been watching Front Page, you are very well aware that we've spent the last few weeks circling something, which is the story around Indian IT is starting to transform. Now, for months, that's all anyone has asked. Will AI hurt Indian IT? Will it replace engineers? Will it wipe out services work? Will it actually go on to shrink the industry's workforce? All very fair questions. And of course, I'd also like to add a few things to that, which is the fact that we have received a lot of comments from everyone who's been watching, which is of course our very loyal viewership, constantly talking about the fact that we at Front Page are going on and speaking about job losses one day, and then we are trying to go ahead and tell you something else entirely, which is that Indian IT is bouncing back. But to be honest, that is actually what is our job, which is to break the news which is fresh, ahead of the curve, and to give you all of the facts and figures for you to decide which road would you like to stick with. We are not biased, we are being absolutely clear with what is actually coming to us in terms of all the insider insights that we receive. Now, having said that, back to the story. While everyone was asking them, something else was also happening. Indian IT wasn't disappearing, it was rebuilding itself around AI. And this Microsoft announcement, well, it's the first real proof of what that looks like at scale. Now, here's the thing. Every company can buy an AI model now, for sure. That's not the distinguishing factor anymore. The hard part is actually making it work, getting it into the workflows, changing how people work, transforming how teams collaborate, and consequently, how decisions happen. That's what Infosys, TCS, and Wipro are doing right now at a massive scale. Infosys says 91% of people with Copilot are actually using it every month. Most enterprise software can't even get employees to log in consistently. Infosys has reached the point where AI is just part of everyday work. TCS reports 86% of its Copilot licensed people use AI every day, and the gains are very real and palpable. 20 to 25% faster on research and content work, twice as fast generating insights, up to 35% reduction in certain work cycles. And this is happening across one of the world's largest technology services companies. Then, of course, I would like to shed a little more light on Wipro. And this one's quite interesting. 95% monthly active usage, 7.5 million AI prompts every single month from their employees. But here's the statistic that actually kind of jumps out at you. Their people have built 29,000 AI agents on their own. And this is where it gets interesting. A year ago, companies were still asking, should we even use this? Today, employees are creating their own agents. You've seen the difference, the stark one? Automating their own workflows, building their own productivity tools, managing digital teammates alongside human ones. That's a completely different stage. Microsoft has a name for what's happening. Frontier firms. Companies where humans and AI work together, where intelligence is embedded directly into workflows, where AI isn't just a separate application. It's just how the company now is operating. And India's biggest IT firms are becoming some of the first large-scale examples of this very model. Now, this announcement matters because it answers something everyone's been asking. What happens after the AI pilot phase? Now, we know enterprise-wide integration. Agents, AI embedded inside delivery, engineering, operations, collaboration, documentation, reporting, and even decision making. The number that matters here isn't that Microsoft sold 300,000 Copilot licenses. It's actually who bought them. Infosys, TCS, Wipro. Yes, three companies that collectively employ hundreds of thousands of people. Three companies that help run global enterprises. And of course, the companies that shape how technology gets deployed around the world. And all three of them are moving from experimentation to running their business with AI at scale. Yes, which is stronger than any benchmark or demonstration or keynote. And here, of course, is the front page take. The AI story now comes down to one thing: who can actually integrate AI into real work? And today, India has showed one of the clearest answers we've ever seen. More than 300,000 employees, millions of prompts, tens of thousands of agents built by their own people. AI, according to us, is just part of how they operate now, which is an open embrace of adoption. Please do let us know what are your thoughts as far as this development goes in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.